What's good, YouTube? It's Charlie Mack, the owner of icedoutforever, and I'm finna show y'all how to turn this into this. Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all join the Discord. It's the top link in the description. In the Discord, it's a lot of stuff how to start a clothing brand and all that, and stuff about my brand, like latest releases and all that. And I will be hosting a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow the IG. So let's get into the video. Let's get it. Okay, so the process from the mock-up to a real life item is pretty simple. So basically, once you have your mock-up, if y'all need a tutorial on how to make a mock-up or all of that, just let me know in the comment section down below. So you got your mock-up and you want to find a manufacturer to produce your product. So you basically want to go on Alibaba, search up hoodie, whatever you want to get, hoodie, t-shirt, whatever, bags. They got everything on that website. It's the best website for this. So search what you want. Like say if you want a puff print hoodie, search up puff print hoodie and look at the best examples, look at the reviews, make sure everything's up to, like, everything's good. 10 years in business plus 5 years. Like, you need to make sure all of that is legit. Make sure it's a legit vendor. Make sure you got insurance on your on the vendor, so if anything happens, you get your money back. But yeah, give them your tech pack of how you exactly want your item. If y'all want a tutorial on the tech pack, let me know too, because I could do that too, because I make my tech packs like this. If y'all want y'all tech packs like this, let me know. I'll do a template and all that for y'all if y'all need it. But yeah, give them your tech pack, ask them all these questions, GSM, all this different stuff. I'm gonna have a video on what to ask manufacturers too if y'all need it. Also, I'm gonna have all type of videos. Just let me know. I can tell y'all anything y'all need to know. But yeah, give them your tech pack and tell them everything about your product, and ask them about the fabrics and all of that, the color swatch and all that. Make sure you gotta be real exact. So after y'all agree on the price point and all of that for your sample, make sure you order your sample first. Like, that's the mandatory thing to do. Don't order a bulk order before you just ordering something and you don't know what you finna get. Order your sample. So order your sample, see what you get. If you like it, order the bulk. And you can also market the sample, like I said in my last video. But when you get the sample in hand, that's when you market. You take your TikToks, you take your Instagram reels, you keep on promoting, and then it's time to release. But that's how you turn a mock-up into a real life item. Hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all join the Discord, follow my brand page and my personal